Well, welcome to my first home car maintenance video for changing the windscreen washers on my 2013 Kia Sportage. First, take the 5 screws out with the plastic dongly bits on them. There's 5 in all. Keep them safe in an old Nesquik box like I do or something. Then after that, clip off the windscreen wiper plasticky things to reveal these bolts and nuts, which you remove with a 14mm socket wrench. Then go to the side and carefully, without breaking, take the rubber bits of the side up, just loosen them. Also the plastic bits on the side, loosen those to both sides. Chance to clean underneath maybe. Get the cobwebs out, and it should lift up then, this whole plastic section off the top. Carefully lift it, but give some slack of the water pipe so that doesn't break. You can maybe take that off, but it's easier just to take enough slack to lift it up and turn it over so you can take out the old and in with these new ones. They're cheap from the web, don't need to go to the main dealer to get them, and with a flat screwdriver take the clips each side of the old ones, push them out. Be handy to put a towel underneath while doing this, because you can drop them into the engine like I did and then you have to go retrieve them. Pop the new ones in, put the pipes on the new ones, and you're good to go. Give it a quick test before putting everything back together. Yes, it's working. Now carefully rotate to put the plastic bits back either side and the rubber housing down. There we are on both sides. Tuck the water pipe back in the side, push it down so it's out of the way into the car, and then put the screws back on the housing. Next, put the wipers back. Might have to jiggle them a bit and pull them up. Screw the nuts back on and get the socket wrench, 14mm again, and tighten them up. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a way of saving some money. Don't want to pay the garage, hours labour plus VAT. Save yourself £100 by buying cheap off the web, because new bits work fine. And there we are, it's all done. Good to go. Happy motoring. Diolch yn fawr.